Good morning, y'all. This is your socially awkward seller, Sarah, and I'm coming to you with another daily vlog. I took the day off yesterday from filming and editing, but I did work, and it was kind of a frazzly day, but not anything to do with eBay. I shipped out, I think, about 30 packages yesterday morning, and that was, I'm so glad that I did my packaging on Sunday instead of waiting until Monday morning. And because it took me a while just to even print packages. Then I had printer issues, toner issues, you know, the printer not recognizing the computer and vice versa. They don't like each other. I think they're going through a trial separation, but I'd like to get them remarried. They need to get back together. So I'm going to work on that. And I'm going to kind of do this vlog a little different today because I have found that I've not been as productive as I'd like to be in the last bit. And I think I'm going to use this video today to kind of hold myself accountable. And to do that, I'm going to video a little more so that you guys can keep up with what I'm doing. I'm sorry I've got my box on, but I've already taken some pictures this morning. It's about 8:40. I've been up since about 5:30, done the dishes, made the bed, straightened the bathroom, made coffee. And so now I'm trying to pull my orders, but I found that some of these items are newer things that I've probably listed in the last month. And what we do when me and Holly, what we do when we're putting our items into inventory is just write them down on this sheet, and then I enter them into the system whenever. Well, I found that I can't find some of those items because they're on these sheets, but they're not in any particular order. So I'm going to enter those on the spreadsheet this morning. I've got about, I don't know, four pages. And I'm going to enter these into the spreadsheet, and then I should be able to find all of the items that I'm looking for. And I like to be very real on this channel, and I like to show you my mishaps and mistakes because I think it's important to know that everybody makes them, and some of us are more prone to it than others. I am very prone to it. I try to do good, but it just won't let me. So I had a lady that ordered this blade last week, and I think I sent her the wrong blade. Well, I know I must have sent her the wrong blade because here it is. So I sent her a message saying, I am so sorry, I will get the right blade out to you. And coincidentally, yesterday she ordered the same part, which is how I found the right blade in the first place. The one that I sent was exactly like this but smaller, and that's something I need to work on, is putting something to scale these or measurements in the listing just for my own. I mean, I have been like writing the information on them, but I didn't always do that, so sometimes it gets a little sketch. Well, I'm going to mail both of these to her today. They would go first class, but I'm going to up this to priority so she'll get it a little faster, and hopefully she won't be too angry. So anyway, so yeah, I do want to show you this little guy. I picked this up yesterday, and it is an elk brass can opener, bottle opener. Boy, you'd have a time opening a can with that, wouldn't you? And he's really cute and didn't have a price. I was at the Goodwill. Imagine that. And he didn't really have a price on him. So at my local Goodwill, if there's no price or the tag is blank, it's 99 cents. They charged me $3.99 for this. I was kind of, And then I bought something else. Let me see if it's sitting here somewhere. I bought something else, and it had 2 price tags on it, and I wasn't paying attention. It was a little crazy in there. It had an old price tag for $4.99 and their price tag for $1.99, and she charged me $4.99. So, but anyway, this turns out I can sell this for about $18-$20. So I'm not so mad about that. The other thing I paid $5 for is worth about $9, which I didn't look it up. It's my fault. So anyway, I'm going to enter this stuff into the spreadsheet. Then I'm going to go pull the rest of the items that I have to ship. Oh, bought this yesterday too. I'm going to pull the items that I need to ship. I'll show those to you, and then I'll get those packaged. I do need to run out to Kroger to send some money to my father-in-law. My husband, God love him, takes care of his father who lives in another country. So I'm going to go send that money. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying my husband's a good guy. And then I got to go to Michael's to pick up some plastic bags. I'm going to show those to you when I come back, because that's where I like to buy my little tiny plastic bags. And right now they're having a sale, 30% off your entire order on michaels.com. They pull the order for you. You pay for it online, and you can go right there and get it as soon as it's ready. And it's usually ready within hours. I'll show those to you later. And then I feel like I got one more stop. Post office, obviously. So I will try to keep you with me all day today. Let's see how it goes. Okay, folks, I'm back. It's about 11 o'clock. I thought I would talk about my sales, but I've already wrapped them, so I'm just going to put a picture up and show you what I bought. All of these things were shipping, were with added shipping. I'm going to move over this way a little bit so I got room to put the stuff right over here. So I sold a Mizuno like pullover hoodie. It was kind of like a sample, not sample size, but a sample, clothing sample. I had that thing forever. The pictures weren't great. It was when I first started selling on Poshmark. Finally, I sold it for $10 on eBay. I bought this water purification system for $6.99, I don't know, a few weeks ago. And I finally just sold the first part, which was this bottom reservoir for $21.15. Sold these 3 Bristol spoons for $13. These soft lace up the back boots sold for $64.39. Skechers boots, it was a boot day, $30.35. These are men's boots. I sold a Regal La Machine, just the food processor top and pusher. Sold that for $15. I sold a Black & Decker shred blade for $9.95, and this is the one I mentioned earlier where I shipped the lady the wrong thing, so I included both the items in that package. A Shark steamer with attachments. I sold that for $30. I took up a best offer for $30. And then they just paid for it, and I've got it packaged. A Ronco rotisserie accessory kit, barbecue kit, and that sold for a best offer of $30 plus shipping. And I think I paid about $6 for that. So I am going to actually put on pants. I'm wearing shorts, relax. I'm going to put on pants, and I'm going to load my stuff and go do my errands, and then I will be back to work this afternoon, and actually work this afternoon. It took me a long time to get all my shipping done. I had 9 packages, and I've got to get some organization here, because I bet I got up and went to the other room to get a box, then bubble wrap, then a bubble wrap, then a box, but I need to store them in there. But I bet I went in that room 15 times, maybe 20. So I've got to do a little better. Plus, it is Hoarder City in here, so the it's like I have to turn sideways just to get through places, and it's not that big down here. I shouldn't have to go through all that. But anyway, enough of that, and I will be back in just a little while.
Y'all ever use the self-checkout line? I was at the Kroger today, and I have a love-hate relationship with the self-check. Now, Walmart's isn't bad, I have to admit, But the ones that insist that you put something in a bag before you can move on to the next item, that's a problem. So today I was at the K. Rogers, the Kroger, and I was buying, about 25 items because they had no limit at their self-check. It was Kool-Aid. 25 packs of Kool-Aid. Scan them one at a time. But the computer can't tell that you put anything in the bag. So that's an issue. So you hit skip bagging and it makes an attendant come. And at the Kroger, the monitor will say, "Help is on the way." And I expect Mrs. Doubtfire to just hop over a railing and come and give me the Heimlich, but that's not what happens. The attendant comes over, and he pushes a little button, and he puts in a code, and then he walks away, and 2 seconds later, help is on the way. Yeah. So, I got my 25 items, finally, and got home, and I got no sugar. Damn the Kool-Aid.
Okay, so it's about 2:39. Done all my errands. I went to Michael's and picked up my order. The mailman came and picked up the mail. And I have made an order of Muddy Buddies. Not an order, like somebody ordered Muddy Buddies. Well, I order myself to make Muddy Buddies. But, sorry, I'm always crinkling something. I wanted to show you the bags I bought at Michael's. I paid a total of about $10. The total's not on here. And I like to buy these there. So these are 3 by 4 inch bags, and there's 150 of them in this pack. And you can probably find just as good, or maybe even a better deal on the internet. But they're this size, which I don't use for a lot of things, but like when I'm doing a game board, I put the pieces in these. I mean, they're jewelry. There's a lot of things you can use these for. Or at least I do in my business. So I ended up getting this bag, and for some reason, this bag. And I don't know why I ordered 2 different things. I'm not sure. But let's see, Beads Landing. These must be the ones. These were $1.50. I have no idea. One of them was $1.50. One of them was $2.80. And these are the same size. So I got 250 bags for about $4 and change. Then I bought these 2. I know this is riveting commentary, isn't it? You guys are so lucky. I bought 200 of these bags. I think that's what's in here is 100, yeah. And they are a 4 by 6, and I like these 2 for small greeting cards, for lots of paper, or just small trinkety items. I like to put them in these plastic bags. Look, it just made me happy to buy these bags. Okay, let's just be real. So anyway, I've got those. Seems like I'm running out of a lot of stuff lately. I've had to order tape, I've had to order toner, and now I'm getting ready to order labels. It's just that glorious time of year, isn't it? So I am going to get started do my ordering of my labels, and I'll come back and check in, and let's see if I actually did anything. I'll talk to you soon. All right, it's the end of the day, and it's about 7 o'clock. I got chicken in the oven, the rice is done, and I was able to get 28 listings up today, which was a good day. Again, many of those had already been drafted. I just need to take the pictures and upload them, so I don't want to like come off like I'm some super listing machine. I'm not. A super eating machine, though. I'll go head to head with anybody. Okay. Anyway, So that's kind of what my day looks like. I've been trying to put in my hours. I haven't been writing them down, but I have been trying to put in a lot of hours. And I probably got at least a good 6 hours worth of work today, I would think. Not including like the videotaping and the editing for that, because that's not eBay particularly related. So anyway, that's how my day looks. I've sold a couple that I'll show you tomorrow. And I'm going to have to put away some inventory. Tomorrow I have an errand to run, so probably will only work for a couple hours. And then Thursday, baking the holiday baking stuff. So when I go visit my family, I have some treats to take them. So that's it. That's all I got. I will not continue to ramble. Just remember that the dream works when you do, so keep dreaming and keep working, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.